Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some really important financial news that could significantly impact seniors across the country. There's a lot of talk circulating about a potential $1,800 stimulus payment and a substantial $6,000 tax break for seniors, possibly coming in 2026. Let's break down what this is all about, who might be eligible, and what you need to know to stay informed. First, let's address the big headline, the $1,800 stimulus payment. Where is this idea coming from? This isn't a confirmed signed-into-law payment just yet. Instead, it stems from proposals and discussions aimed at providing financial relief to older Americans, especially those on fixed incomes who are feeling the squeeze from inflation and rising living costs. Advocacy groups and some lawmakers are pushing for additional support, arguing that previous relief measures haven't been enough to help seniors keep up. The proposed amount of $1,800 is a figure that has been floated as a meaningful one-time payment. To help cover essentials like groceries, utilities, and medical expenses, who would get it? The eligibility criteria are still being debated, but it would likely target seniors based on income thresholds similar to past stimulus checks. This means it would probably be aimed at low to moderate income retirees. The key takeaway here is to watch for official announcements from the IRS and Congress. Nothing is set in stone, so be wary of anyone asking for your personal information to sign you up. Now, let's shift gears to the other major topic, a potential $6,000 tax break. This is a very different kind of financial relief. Unlike a direct payment, a tax break reduces the amount of tax you owe. The proposal being discussed involves expanding tax deductions or credits specifically for seniors. The idea is to allow older adults to deduct a larger portion of their medical expenses, or to increase the standard deduction for those over a certain age. For example, one proposal suggests raising the standard deduction by an additional $6,000 for taxpayers aged 65 and older. If this were to pass, it could result in significant tax savings, leaving more money in your pocket after you file your taxes. The timeline for this is also speculative, with 2026 being a target year mentioned in legislative discussions. It's a way to provide ongoing financial relief rather than just a one-time boost. So, what are the exact dates and rules? This is the most crucial part to understand. As of right now, there are no exact dates because these are still proposals. They are not laws. The legislative process can be long and complex, and these ideas will need to pass through Congress and be signed by the president before they become reality. The final rules, including income limits and eligibility requirements, will be determined during that process. What can you do to prepare? First, stay updated through reliable sources. The official IRS website, irs.gov, is your best friend. Also, keep an eye on news from major reputable financial news outlets. Second, make sure your tax information is current. Ensure the IRS has your correct address and direct deposit information from your most recent tax return. This will help you receive any potential future payments or refunds smoothly and quickly. It's easy to get excited about these numbers, but it's just as important to be cautious. Scammers love to take advantage of this kind of news. Remember, the IRS will never call, text, or email you to ask for your social security number or bank account details for a stimulus payment or tax credit. Any official communication will come through the mail or via their official website. In summary, the $1,800 stimulus and the $6,000 tax break are promising proposals designed to support seniors, but they are not yet confirmed. We will be tracking these developments very closely and will bring you updates as soon as they are available. Financial security in retirement is so important, and these discussions show that it's on the national agenda. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates on your finances. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you next time.